guys. I hope everyone's staying safe. Welcome to our first Zoom meeting. I just wanted to reach out and touch base and see where you guys all were at with the distance learning curriculums. Hey, why don't we just do a quick roll call and see who all we have here? I see Kevin.
Morning.
Hi, Darcy. Hi, Darcy. Robin, you might want to adjust your camera a little bit, like push your computer back a little bit. You can zoom out. You're awfully close.
Can you see me?
Yeah, push it.
I
push
can't
it
hear
back.
you.
You're fine. I can see you fine. It's fine. Good morning. Hello. Who else do we have? Mallory, welcome back. Congrats on the new addition. Oh, it's just so crazy.
Have a snack.
Mommy's on a work call, okay?
I'm gonna have to agree with Mallory here. This has been a struggle.
No, it's so stressful, right? It's okay though. We're all in this together. We're all gonna get through it. It's gonna be fine. Everything's fine. Why don't we just dive right in, see where your guys' plans are at? Who wants to go first? Kevin, you want to go? Go ahead. Oh. Oh, Kevin, Kevin.
Meow.
I'm geared up, you guys. I got my PE plan nailed down. It's gonna be competitive and aggressive. You know, just keep in mind that we don't want to overwhelm the families our first week back. This is new to everybody. Start slowly and then you can get a little bit more competitive. I've also coined the phrase, let's move, for my distance learning program. Pretty sure Michelle Obama coined that phrase, Kevin, but okay. Who's next? What do we got? Darcy, what do you have? How you doing over there?
I have some worksheets ready to refer to.
Okay, so Darcy, please don't take this the wrong way, but are you day drinking again?
Absolutely.
So even though we would all love to indulge in a little midday mimosa, we got to remember that this is work hours, even though we're working at home. It's 5 o'clock somewhere, but not here, not during working hours. Yeah. Darcy, do you need help?
What? No.
How you doing, Mallory? What do you got? Give it to me. I can't hear her. What have I done? Mallory, I think you're on mute. Push the microphone. Push the microphone at the bottom of the screen. Okay, Mallory, I think you're on mute. Yeah, mute, Mallory. Mommy's on a work call, okay? Yeah, I have lessons for the next 2 weeks ready to go, uploaded. I'm sure there's gonna be a learning curve. Okay. So it looks like math is in order. Will these screens be auto-filled or will they be drag and drop? I heard from other counties, a lot of parents are having problems with the drag and drop. Mommy's on a work call. Okay. How's it looking on your end, Robin? I hand wrote each child a worksheet. Wrote it down. Getting too old for this shit. Technology. What do you mean by that? I hand wrote each child in my class a worksheet to perform. Oh, okay. Yeah, well, we're gonna need that in Google Docs for the virtual classroom. Oh dear. What's the Google? Remember the teleconference we had yesterday? Oh, yes, I recall that. Let me see if I can find my password. Okay, well, you know what? Maybe Darcy can help you offline, okay? Darcy, can you call me on my landline after this meeting? Darcy, I can see you drinking.
What do you mean by see me?
This is actually a Zoom meeting, which means we can all see each other on your screen, okay? Yeah. You see how you can see everybody else? Yeah, we can see you too. Okay, team. Well, this was very productive for our first Zoom meeting. I would suggest let's reconvene on Thursday at 1. Does anybody have any comments or questions? Kevin?
What's you doing, Mommy?
Okay, thank you all for joining. Bye.
Can you call me on my landline, Darcy?
Fine.
Hang on, let me make a wet one. I'm standing for Mr. Amber. Okay.